Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. I'm going to take you around this lovely MAN TGE Camper that we've just taken in Indium Grey. It's a medium wheelbase high roof and it's 2020 on the 70 plate. Been loads of stuff done to this one. It's only done just under 15,000 miles too. So it's obviously had the gloss black grille with the matte MAN badges. Full colour coding to the bumper and the lower front splitter there. Obviously, as it's covered nearly 15,000 miles now, there's the odd little stone chip on the front there. We're touching as best we can, but you do get the odd one. Show you down the side of it. There's no nasty dents, anything like that down there. Really good condition all round. Tyres all in good condition. It's got 20-inch Velour alloy wheels on it, which are correctly load rated for the vehicle. Got black sidebars there too. Colour coded mirrors. Just show you inside here. So it's got the auto lights pack, multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control, which was an optional extra. Does have wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on this head unit as well, so you can have Google Maps nav from your phone on there, all your usual apps, WhatsApp, messaging, iMusic, iTunes even. Front and rear park sensors, has got air conditioning, stop start obviously, and there's 2 USB-C charging points down there. This one's also got the storage up top. It's really handy if you want to carry some extra bits and bobs. And the 2 individual seats have been retrimmed in lovely grey leather with contrast cross stitching. So I'll carry on around the vehicle. It's had windows put in the sides, opening ones. This probably gives you a better view of the sideline from the back here. Smoked rear lights. Has got a tow truss tow bar on it as well, in case you need to tow anything. Got colour coded bits here as well, so lovely finish on it. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. I'll just take you into the rear garage area. So it's a really spacious area this, and you've got the bed built just above it, so you've got a normal domestic socket. Over this side is a shower attachment, I believe. Yep, so you can attach your shower in. And if we have a look in these side cupboards, so you've got the Propex heating system, and also this side, it is empty, but that is where your gas bottle will go. Obviously you have to supply your own gas bottle, but everything's there ready for it. Got your hookup cable too. That's your winder for the awning, and we've got a few other little bits and bobs in the bag. Just a couple of little marks on there from bikes that have been in. Previous owner did take bikes in it. Show you down this side now. Again, lovely and straight down the sides there. Got the large wind out awning on it. If you have a look on our advert on the website, you'll see the photos of that in action. With a large privacy tinted window. So there's no nasty marks at all along the vehicle. In really good order as you'd expect. Show you the passenger seat here as well. And then we'll head into the camper side of things. So as a start point, you've got your fridge just here. And a lift out table bit, which just sits on the edge there. You can still bypass that to get into the vehicle. And you've got your water there, your tap, and also your dual gas hob. Up here, we've got quite a wide bed actually. Somewhere between a double and a king in terms of width, although obviously you haven't got the full length of the wall. We just put this new fitted sheet on it, just show you what it looked like, so excuse it not being ironed. That's my laziness, I'm afraid. We've got a vent just up here, get air in or take air out, and we've got some lighting along here too. Little shelf just to store bits and bobs in. Cupboard up here. We've got further cupboards along here. This is your controller for the Propex system. And we've got 2 further belted seats, so you can have 4 people in total travelling in this vehicle. The table and the leg here, that's a retractable leg, so that can fold down or even be taken off completely. And you've got your socket and your USBs there as well. Down this side we have got microwave, and underneath that little cupboard there, which I can't quite get into whilst the camera's on, there is a porta potty. And finally, this roller bit, that allows you access to the garage. So if you had anything long that you need to get in, you can put that roller up and just load it all the way through. And you've got your further storage down here in these bits. And obviously easy access to the cab itself. Suede lined roof all throughout. And carpeted and insulated. So a nice job, easy 2-berth. You could make it a 4-berth if you wanted to pop a roof, sort of pop top roof in there. I don't know if you would, because you've got the fan at the back there, but very comfortable for 2 people staying over or 4 people travelling. So that's pretty much it. All in all, a stunning vehicle, still under manufacturer's warranty. You get 3 years from new on those, and it was a September 2020 registration. So just under 15,000 miles. If you visit our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, you'll see a load of images and a full written description of the vehicle. We do take part exchange and we can offer finance, so if you're interested, please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.